Hey everyone, how's it going? My name's Jen Sargent. I'm the creator of Digital Sargeant, and I'm so happy you found this video. If you found this video, that means you're looking to take your passion project or side hustle to the next level, and that's exactly why I created this guide for you. It's a guide to help you take your passion project or side hustle to the internet. It gives you a ton of advice on how to launch your new business online, from a free website to a paid website, what to include in your website, and where to begin with social media. I can go ahead and address the burning question that you may have of why should you trust me? You can trust me, my digital marketing advice, for a lot of different reasons, but number one, my portfolio and my resume is extremely transparent. You can view it for yourself on the website where you found the guide, digitalsargent.com/portfolio. I've worked in the digital marketing industry for nearly 10 years, starting out at an inbound marketing agency as a digital marketing strategist, where I managed a ton of different accounts in different vertical markets and specialized in the inbound marketing industry. I've helped countless of local businesses all over the United States go from practically not existing at all on Google to ranking #1 in their location for their industry by using organic and thoughtful SEO strategies. I've managed countless of local businesses' websites, starting from literally nothing, 0 views, 0 impressions, 0 existence on Google, to hundreds and even thousands of monthly views to their website a week, which ultimately converted to increase in sales and profits in the highest conversion probably ever, and that's foot traffic to brick and mortar location. This guide is a very easy approach for anybody to take their side hustle or passion project to the next level, and how to get started and continue their momentum. When you look at the big picture of how to get started on the internet, or how to take your side hustle or passion project to the next level, there's so many options out there and it can get a little overwhelming. I totally get it. This guide is going to help you get set up in the right direction and get you going at the right speed. If you have any questions, my email is always open at Digital Sargeant anywhere on the internet. My email is jennifer@digitalsargent.com, and I wish you nothing but success.